In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively sell in Etoro, exit trades, and manage sell positions with ease. Whether you're new to the platform or simply looking to refine your selling techniques, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in. To start, ensure you're on a device connected to the internet, ready to interact with Etoro's platform. Begin by navigating to the Etoro homepage. This is where your financial management journey begins. These first steps are foundational, setting up the framework for smooth transactions. Next, click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the page. This access point will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure those are handy, as you'll need your email and password to access your personal trading dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here recently. Seeing how your assets and trades are laid out will give you a sense of direction and context for subsequent actions. Now, head over to the Etoro home section. This part of the site is your centralized hub for quick information and navigation to different features on the platform. From here, you can easily proceed to locate and utilize the selling functions by selecting Discover. The Discover button is your gateway to explore various assets Etoro offers. It opens up a plethora of possibilities, from stocks to cryptocurrencies, each categorized for easy access. Once you're in the Discover section, you'll want to focus on selecting the asset you're interested in. Click on the asset category that you wish to delve into. By doing this, you get a detailed overview of the market performance, recent trends, and related data that might influence your engaging decision. After selecting the desired asset, the next crucial step is to click on Trade. This action opens up detailed options specific to your chosen asset. You will now see various parameters for trading, including current values, market trends, and predicted shifts. These insights are invaluable for making informed decisions on whether to hold on or sell. With the trade interface open, examine the information presented about market conditions and decide your next move. If you are certain it's time to exit a trade, setting your criteria for selling in the trade interface will ensure a smooth execution. For anyone new, it's advisable to double-check these settings to confirm that everything aligns with your investment strategy. Closing your position is the final step where the actual selling occurs. Confirm your decision by reviewing your sell parameters one last time and execute the sell. Reflecting on these steps and ensuring clarity in each can greatly enhance your confidence and success in managing your Etoro trades. Thank you for watching, and I hope this detailed walkthrough has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides to improve your trading experience.